Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to After Effects with motion graphics templates step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe website. In the search bar, type After Effects and hit enter. Locate the After Effects product page from the search results. Click on the Get Started or Buy Now button. You will be directed to the Plans and Pricing section. Choose the subscription plan that fits your needs. Click on the Select Plan button for your chosen option. If you're not signed in, you will be prompted to log in to your Adobe account. Enter your email address and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts. Once signed in, review your plan details. Click on Continue to proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment information as required. After filling out your payment details, click on Start Subscription or Confirm. Once your subscription is confirmed, open After Effects on your computer. In After Effects, navigate to the Essential Graphics panel. Click on Browse to access the Motion Graphics Templates library. You can search for specific templates or browse through categories. Select a template that you want to use. Click on the Install or Add to Project button. The template will be downloaded and added to your project. You can now customize the template to fit your project needs. Save your project regularly to avoid losing your work. When finished, export your video by navigating to File, then select Export. Follow the prompts to complete the export process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.